Is Uphold a legit app? That's the burning question many of you have asked, and in today's video, we're diving deep to give you a definitive answer. In a world brimming with financial platforms, distinguishing the trustworthy from the potentially risky can feel like navigating a minefield. You hear about innovative features, seamless transactions, and access to a myriad of assets, but lurking beneath the surface is always that nagging doubt: can I truly trust my money with this platform? We've all been there, excited by the prospect of diversified investments, instant currency conversions, or easy access to digital assets, only to be hesitant when it comes to the security of our hard-earned cash. This is especially true in the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and alternative investments, where new platforms emerge daily, each promising to be the next big thing. Uphold has certainly made a name for itself in this space, attracting a significant user base with its unique anything-to-anything trading philosophy. But does its innovative approach translate to legitimate and secure operations? To answer this, we first need to understand what makes a financial app legit. It boils down to several key factors: regulatory compliance, security measures, transparency, user reviews, and a track record of reliable service. A truly legitimate platform will be upfront about its licensing, clearly outline its fees, and have robust security protocols in place to protect your assets. It will also have a generally positive reputation among its users, indicating a consistent and trustworthy experience. So, let's put Uphold under the microscope. Uphold is indeed a registered money services business, MSB, with FINCEN in the United States, and it operates under various other regulatory frameworks in different jurisdictions where it offers its services. This regulatory oversight is a significant green flag, as it means the company is subject to specific rules and reporting requirements designed to protect consumers and prevent illicit financial activities. They also employ industry-standard security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and robust internal controls to safeguard user accounts and data. Furthermore, Uphold has been operational since 2014, which, in the fast-paced world of fintech and crypto, makes it a relatively seasoned player. This longevity suggests a certain level of stability and resilience. They've also been transparent about their operational model, including their reserve holdings, which they claim to audit regularly. While some users have reported occasional customer service delays, the vast majority of reviews point to a functional and generally reliable platform for trading and holding various assets, including fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and even fractional equities. Of course, no platform is without its imperfections. Like any financial service, Uphold has faced its share of scrutiny and occasional user complaints, primarily revolving around customer support response times or specific withdrawal processes. However, these appear to be par for the course in the industry and don't typically indicate a fundamental flaw in the platform's legitimacy. The key is that Uphold has continued to operate, evolve, and maintain its regulatory standing, addressing issues as they arise. So, to circle back to our initial question, is Uphold a legit app? Based on its regulatory compliance, established security measures, operational history, and generally positive user reception, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a legitimate platform for managing a diverse portfolio of assets, offering a unique and versatile trading experience. However, as with any financial platform, it's crucial to understand its features, fees, and risks before committing your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.